viewers, welcome to Junior's Art, and today I'm gonna show you how to draw a chibi Christmas tree cause this is Christmas season. But at the beginning I wanna say that if you are a new viewer of my channel, then don't forget to subscribe cause we upload new videos every day. And here you can see that I have drawn a star. And now I'm drawing the layers of our Christmas trees. It should have 3 layers, and this is how it would look. Now I'm finishing it with the stream. I have told you that my Christmas tree is gonna be a chibi Christmas tree, so I will draw its eyes and mouth. But here's some decoration first. Okay, you can guess what it is. Yes, here's its eyes. I have filled the boat with black, and here's a tiny smiley face. I'm drawing eyes on the stars as usual. Okay, I think my drawing is done. Let's do the coloring. Here's my green color. I'm starting with green. Let's do it faster. Wow! I'm using yellow for the star. It's looking really cute. Now I'm coloring this team with brown. Okay, let's do the decorations with red, orange, cyan, pale green, red, orange, yellow orange, cyan. Wow! This is how you can draw a Christmas tree within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So then don't forget to subscribe.